Hello makers, it's me. Are you ready for fun? We will make cool crafts today. We use things we might throw out, like old plastic bottles, yes, and empty cardboard boxes too. This is called recycling. It's like magic, but it's real. Wow, let's get started on our adventure. Why is recycling so good, you ask? It helps our amazing planet so much. Planet Earth is our beautiful home. We all want to keep it clean and bright. Recycling means we make less rubbish. That means less mess in our lovely parks, and less yucky stuff in the big blue sea. So our wonderful Earth stays happy and healthy. Brilliant! Isn't that just great news? Recycling helps all the animals too, and all the lovely tall green plants. When we recycle, we help save trees. Trees give us fresh air to breathe. They are also cozy homes for birds, and fluffy squirrels love to climb them high. Making less rubbish means safer animals everywhere. No nasty plastic bags to harm them. Oh no, fantastic! We are helping our furry friends. You can be a recycling helper every day. It's so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. When you finish with a bottle, pop it in the right bin, and old paper goes in its special place. Today, we are going to do something extra special. We will turn old things into amazing art. It's time to be super creative, everyone. Are you excited, mini makers? To begin? Let's go, go, go! It's making time. Our very first craft idea is super duper. We are going to make fantastic bottle buddies from empty plastic bottles. Can you believe it? How cool is that, all you mini makers? You can make any kind of creature you like. A funny, giggling monster, perhaps, with 3 eyes, or maybe a cute little pink and purple animal. Let's see what crafty bits we are going to need. Get ready for some bottle brilliance, everyone. Here are your crafty bits for our bottle buddies. An empty plastic bottle. Make sure it's clean first. Some colorful scraps of paper you might have. Maybe some bits of fluffy wool for crazy hair. Googly eyes always make things look extra funny. You'll need some good sticky glue for sticking. And scissors, but please ask a grown-up to help. Safety first, always, mini makers. Remember that. Have you got everything? Great, let's make. Next up, makers, we have more arty fun. We are going to use old, colorful magazines, and those very handy cardboard tubes as well. Don't ever throw them away, mini makers, no. They are actually secret craft treasures, you see. First, let's make some amazing magazine art. It's called a mosaic. What a clever name. It sounds quite fancy, but it's really easy peasy. Let's try it together right here, right now. For your marvelous magazine mosaic, you will need to find some old magazines or even old newspapers. Look carefully for lots of bright, bold colors. You'll also need a piece of sturdy cardboard. A piece from an old cereal box is just perfect. Some sticky glue, of course, for all the sticking. And your trusty scissors again for snipping. Remember, please ask a grown-up for help with cutting. Safety is always super important for us makers. Are you ready to snip, stick, and create? Wow, mini makers, just look at what you've done. You've made such fantastic and clever crafts today. Your bottle buddies are so cool and full of character. Your colorful magazine art is truly beautiful to see. And your super cardboard tube pals are just great. All made from things that we have recycled together. Isn't that just brilliant and so very smart? You saved all those things from going in the bin. You're a real recycling superhero, every one of you. Recycling is so, so important for our world. We learned all about why it's important today. It helps our wonderful Earth stay lovely and green. It helps all the amazing animals, big and small. And guess what? It's super, super fun too. Making things is always the best kind of fun, especially when we reuse and give things new life. Give yourselves a big, enormous clap right now. Well done, everyone. You've been amazing today.